Mad Dog here, extreme foodie, and I'm here to talk to you about my brand new homemade grill I got here. Now, this thing is sweet. You're gonna flip out here. Let you get a closer look at this bad boy right here. So I've taken this shopping cart. Man, I got my firewood at the bottom here. I could cook. Look, I'm cooking me some boudin. I'm cooking me a couple of steaks, some smoked sausage. Man, I could cook a whole a meal for a whole army in this bad boy right here. This here is some fine cooking, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, woo! Bam!